Wayne biked 267.5 miles in 8.6 hours. Estimate how many miles he can bike per hour. So we see that word estimate, and that tells us that we should round before we start this. So we have to figure out what math action are we going to do here with these numbers. I have 267.5 and I have 8.6 hours, and they want to know how many miles he can bike per hour. So in 1 hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to be dividing, but we're going to estimate. So I'm going to go ahead and start rounding these numbers, and I would take 8.6. I always round the divisor first if I'm doing dividing. So 8.6 is very close to 9. And then I'm going to look at the first two digits. So just the first two digits of my dividend. And I'm going to look for a compatible number that's going to work well with 9 that is close to 26. And that's going to be 27. Everything afterwards becomes a 0. So my estimating, I'm going to do 270 divided by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then I just add the 0 to the end. And that's going to get me 30 miles per hour.